Welcome to Excellent Review, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in tech reviews. Whether you're a professional photographer, vlogger, or just someone looking for the perfect camera to capture your everyday moments, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll be diving into the 7 best cameras on the market, breaking down their key features, pros, cons, and pricing to help you make the best choice for your needs. Before we get started, we've included Amazon links in the description below for all the cameras we'll be reviewing, so you can easily check out prices, read more reviews, and find the one that fits your budget. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews, tips, and unboxings. Now, let's jump right in. Number 1. Polaroid Now 2nd Generation Instant Camera. The Polaroid Now I-Type Instant Film Camera is a beautiful blend of retro design and modern technology. Its classic aesthetic harks back to the vintage Polaroid cameras, but it features updated functionalities like built-in flash, ideal for low-light environments. Autofocus dual lens system automatically switches between a close-up lens, for subjects 1.8 to 4.3 feet away, and a distance lens, for subjects beyond 2 feet. Optical viewfinder allows precise framing of shots. Rechargeable battery lasts for up to 120 shots, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. However, one drawback is the film packs, which only contain 8 shots per pack, meaning frequent reloads might be necessary. Despite this, user reviews highlight its ease of use and impressive photo quality, especially at parties. One Amazon reviewer mentioned it as a hit at gatherings, appreciating the rechargeable battery and the quality of the Polaroids. Number 2. Sony RX100 VII. The Sony RX100 VII is a top-tier compact camera, ideal for content creators, social media influencers, and vloggers. It merges portability with advanced features, making it a powerful tool for both still photography and video recording. Here are some of its standout features: 4K video capture, perfect for high-quality vlogs. It records in 4K at 30 frames per second and can record at 120 frames per second in 1080p for slow-motion shots. Versatile zoom lens. The 24 to 200 mm lens range is great for everyday shooting, offering flexibility for various distances and compositions. Real-time autofocus features superb autofocus with real-time tracking and face detection, ensuring that your subject remains sharp. Flip-up rear display, essential for vloggers. The rear display flips up for easy self-recording. Compact design. Despite its powerful capabilities, it's easy to carry, making it a go-to option for on-the-go creators. However, this high-end point-and-shoot comes with a premium price due to its advanced features. A reviewer on Amazon praised it for vlogging, stating that it's ideal for those who want the best performance in a small, travel-friendly package. Number 3. Nikon Z50 Mirrorless Camera 2-Lens Kit. The Nikon Z50 is an excellent entry point for photographers interested in transitioning to mirrorless systems. It offers a blend of powerful features and affordability, making it ideal for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Key highlights include 20.9 MP APS-C sensor. Despite its smaller sensor size, it delivers sharp and high-quality images, making it more portable and user-friendly. High-speed shooting, capable of shooting at 11 frames per second, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. 4K video recording, supports 4K video capture, making it a versatile tool for both photography and videography. Articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen. The large touchscreen monitor tilts for easy viewing and framing, complemented by an electronic viewfinder. Lens compatibility, works with Nikon Z series lenses, offering plenty of upgrade options as you progress. The included kit lenses, 16 to 50 mm, wide angle, and 50 to 250 mm, telephoto, cover a wide range of shooting scenarios from landscapes to portraits. The Z50 is a great choice for someone seeking a solid mirrorless camera with room for growth. Its compatibility with over 15 Nikon Z series lenses allows users to expand their gear without switching systems, making it an excellent investment for advancing in photography. Number 4. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR with 18 to 55mm lens. The Canon Rebel T7 is a solid entry-level DSLR, ideal for those starting in photography and looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option. Though DSLR technology is being eclipsed by mirrorless alternatives, the Rebel T7 remains relevant for several reasons. 24.1 MP image quality. The high-resolution sensor ensures crisp and vibrant photos, making it a great tool for learning composition and exposure. Included 18 to 55mm lens. This versatile kit lens is ideal for a wide range of shooting scenarios, allowing beginners to explore various styles before considering additional lenses. Beginner-friendly, with its simple controls and classic DSLR design, the T7 is easy to use, providing a solid introduction to the fundamentals of photography. Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, convenient for transferring photos to your smartphone or tablet for quick sharing. Fast autofocus. The 9-point autofocus system, while not the most advanced, is responsive and accurate for most beginner needs. However, the T7 has some limitations. Slow burst rate. At only 3 frames per second, it's not ideal for fast action photography. No 4K video, limited to 1080p video recording, which is sufficient for basic use but may feel restrictive for aspiring videographers. Fixed 3-inch LCD. The screen lacks touch functionality and does not articulate, making it less convenient for shooting at odd angles. Despite these limitations, the Rebel T7 is a fantastic learning tool for those new to photography, offering great value under $500. It's a dependable camera that provides a strong foundation before considering an upgrade. Number 5. Nikon D780, body only. The Nikon D780 is a powerful DSLR that offers advanced features ideal for photographers looking to step up from entry-level gear. It combines robust build quality with pro-level performance, making it suitable for both photography and videography. Here's a breakdown of its key features. 24.5 MP full-frame sensor, produces high-quality images with rich detail and vibrant colors, suitable for professional-level work. 51-point autofocus system, fast and precise. The autofocus locks onto subjects quickly, allowing for smooth, efficient shooting at up to 7 frames per second. 4K video recording. The D780 can capture 4K video, making it a versatile tool for photographers who also work with video content. Tilting 3.2-inch touchscreen. The responsive touchscreen enhances the user experience, especially for focusing and shooting at unconventional angles. Rugged build. Designed for durability, this camera is well suited for extended fieldwork or demanding shooting environments. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy image transfer and remote camera control via smartphone or tablet. Reviewers have praised the autofocus system, particularly the touchscreen autofocus, which is a standout feature for both photography and video work. One Amazon reviewer highlighted how skeptical they were initially but were ultimately impressed with how well the touchscreen autofocus performed, especially for video tasks. The Nikon D780 is perfect for intermediate to advanced photographers seeking a reliable and high-performing DSLR that bridges the gap between photo and video work. Its rugged design, fast autofocus, and 4K capabilities make it an excellent choice for more demanding projects. Number 6. GoPro Hero 12 Black Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 12 Black continues to dominate the action camera market with key upgrades in video performance, battery life, and usability. Here's what makes it stand out. High-resolution video. The Hero 12 Black supports up to 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 2K at 240 frames per second, ensuring top-notch video quality at various frame rates for smooth slow-motion and high-detail footage. 10-bit color and 8:7 aspect ratio. The camera delivers enhanced color depth and flexibility, especially for those doing advanced color grading in post-production. Vertical shooting mode, perfect for content creators on social media. This new feature allows easy capture of vertical video, tailored for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Hypersmooth 6.0 image stabilization. the latest stabilization system provides impressive camera shake reduction, even in extreme conditions, and now includes horizon leveling for perfectly straight shots. Rugged and waterproof, built for adventure, it's waterproof up to 33 feet, and deeper with optional housing, making it great for action-packed activities, including underwater shoots. Improved battery life. The upgraded battery offers significantly longer performance than the Hero 11 Black, ideal for extended shoots in the field. Bundle options, available in bundles that include extra accessories like grips, mounts, and microSD cards, giving users everything they need for versatile shooting. With its small, durable design, exceptional video capabilities, and advanced stabilization, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is an unbeatable option for action enthusiasts, vloggers, and content creators. The enhanced battery life and new vertical mode make it especially appealing for those looking to capture high-quality footage for both professional and social media purposes. Number 7. Sony ZV-1F. The Sony ZV-1F is an excellent entry-level camera designed specifically for vloggers, content creators, and social media influencers. Offering a more affordable option compared to its counterparts like the ZV-1 or ZV-E1, it still packs a range of user-friendly features for producing professional quality content. Here's why it stands out. 1-inch sensor delivers high-quality images and video with better depth of field and low-light performance than most smartphones. 20mm wide-angle fixed lens. The lens is ideal for vlogging, offering a natural perspective for capturing more of the environment in the frame. Vlogging-friendly features. Product showcase. Quickly shifts focus between your face and objects in front of the camera, perfect for product reviews. Soft skin effect. Enhances skin tones for a polished look. One-touch background defocus. Allows you to easily create a shallow depth of field effect for more professional-looking videos. 3-capsule microphone with windscreen. Captures clear audio with minimal background noise, especially useful when shooting outdoors. Eye and object tracking. Reliable autofocus that tracks eye movement and keeps faces well lit with face auto exposure. Flip-out display. Makes framing yourself easy, although visibility in bright light could be an issue. 4K video recording. Supports 4K at 30 frames per second for sharp and detailed video quality. Lightweight and portable. Weighing only 8.1 ounces, it's ultra-compact and ideal for on-the-go shooting. Bluetooth wireless grip compatibility. Makes it easy to shoot one-handed and adjust settings on the fly. According to a review by Jason R. Rich from Forbes Vetted, the ZV-1F is likely to become a favorite among vloggers and influencers due to its seamless vlogging capabilities. He also noted that it performs well as a traditional point-and-shoot camera. Overall, the Sony ZV-1F is an excellent choice for anyone seeking an easy-to-use camera for content creation, offering impressive video and audio quality in a highly portable package. It's perfect for aspiring influencers who want a budget-friendly option without sacrificing performance.